Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to watch movies for free using the Reddit mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Reddit app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the search bar at the top and type in free movies or free streaming. You will see a different communities such as r/free movies on Tube, where people say it's legal ways to watch movies. Tap on one of the posts that interest you. Many Reddit users recommend services like TikTok, Pluto TV, or Peacock Free. These are all legal apps where you can watch movies without paying through, though they might have ads. If you see a service you want to try, just tap the link in the Reddit post. It will usually open in a browser or the App Store. From there, download the app to your phone. Once the app is installed, open it, create a free account if needed, and start browsing their movie library. And that's it. That's how you watch movies for free on Reddit mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.